Hi, Linda Carpenter here with the MRG Realty Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador. And today I'm here to invite you to our upcoming seller workshop. Recently, we have found that several of our sellers have been very overwhelmed with even the thought of putting their home on the market. Some have been in their home for many years, even decades, and are not familiar with the market or the process. Some have accumulated many treasures over the years and need direction with donations or sales. There might be some deferred maintenance or updates needed in the home, while other sellers have young children or pets and are not sure how to manage the family and sell their home. So whether you've been in your home for 5 or 50 years, we're here to simplify the selling process according to your goals. At our workshop, we will cover 4 topics. Number 1, preparing your home. We can provide our sellers with expert advice as to how best prepare your home for the market in relationship to your selling goals. We also have business partners that can assist us with anything from painting to plumbing and furnaces to flooring. The next topic is timing the sale. Most people think that the best time to put their house on the market is when their flowers are in full bloom. But maybe that timing won't work for you. We can show you how to sell your home any time of the year. If you have concerns about how to make that transition from one home to another with the least amount of stress, we can explain your options. Our third topic will be the right price. We price homes to create the most interest, which will keep you in the driver's seat throughout the sale transaction. You'll also learn what happens if you overprice a home and what steps you should take to correct that quickly. And our last topic is marketing. Proper marketing and creating the widest reach for your home will create the most interest. We'll discuss all the tools that we have to help sell quickly and for the most amount of money. So, if you are thinking that you do want to sell your home in the near future, or you might just be curious about the process, we're offering a couple options for a free home workshop, both online and in person. Just click the date that you would like to attend and get registered. We look forward to meeting you and seeing how we can be of service.